My name is Andy Lecture, and I am an accessibility specialist at Furman University.
Please tell us a bit more about Furman University and the surrounding community.
So Furman is a small liberal arts college in Greenville, South Carolina. Right now, the student population is hovering between 2,500 and 2,600 total. And as far as sort of the culture on campus, it's definitely an academically rigorous college. The science, physics departments are really, really strong. Our music department is really strong. Those are sort of what put us on the map. But no matter what you major in at Furman, it's going to be academically very challenging.
Now please tell us a bit about the FIND Furman program.
And so specifically what I'm doing at Furman, the first thing that my boss sort of charged me with doing was creating a first-year support for students on the spectrum or who otherwise identify as neurodivergent. And so we just completed our second year of that program. It's called FIND Furman, which stands for Fostering Inclusion for Neurodiverse. Right now we're focused on pairing them up with peer mentors, moving them in early for early orientation. And then throughout the year, we have social events and we have a study hall to sort of help them build skills and hobbies, really, and build that network of peers that they relate with and may identify with and make those connections. And then throughout the year, we just sort of meet one-on-one with me to get whatever supports they might need. For some of them, that's academic. For some of them, that's social. It can sort of vary on what they want. And the thing that makes our program, I think, a little bit unique compared to a lot of the other ones that I've done, because I did a little bit of research on college autism support programs, and ours is free. So that's sort of one thing that makes us unique, but it's also sort of optional. So we don't force or require our students to engage with certain aspects of our program. We sort of put our offerings out there and say, come to whatever you feel like you want. So that you can sort of pick and choose how you engage with our program, and you can sort of choose what supports that you're getting. And we just found that with the students we're getting at Furman, it didn't make sense to require those things because most of them are going to have not a lot of academic challenges per se, and may just need that social piece, or maybe flip that, and maybe this is the first time that they do want to sort of explore social connection, and so they might have that. But then the academic piece is the part that they really need more support with. So FIND Furman provides students with one-on-one support with me. I've had students in the past who just want feedback on social interactions that they've had. I've had other students who want to do social skills training. And so what I'm focused on as my support role is not necessarily this is how you socialize, because there's no one correct way to express and communicate yourself. Rather, it's more leaning into your strengths and finding ways that you can communicate comfortably being yourself. So it's more holistic. It's not necessarily focused on one area, but we sort of get into just their individual struggles and challenges. And I help the student to navigate that by just asking them questions so they can come to their own solutions, because they're the experts in their own lives. And
a big thanks to Andy Lecture and the FIND Furman program. Please subscribe to Inclusive Academia.